Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have studied about the different symptoms which result because of the deficiency of the nutrients like chlorosis, stunted growth, necrosis, and premature leaf fall. Let us today study about the diseases which are caused in the plants because of the mineral deficiency. So, different examples are there for the diseases which are caused in the plants, but let us take some examples and study how it is leading to the diseases. Deficiency, how it leads to diseases. Firstly, we will take up citrus dieback. Citrus dieback is a disease. It is caused in the citrus plant. So, have you seen a citrus plant anytime? Yes. So, these are the citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, like that you have citrus group of plants. In the citrus, the effect caused by the deficiency of the zinc. So if the plant is having the zinc deficiency, that means plant is not able to get the zinc properly from the soil during its growth, it leads to a disease called as citrus dieback. And what is the symptom of the disease? The leaves of the plant will become yellow to brown color. That means I previously showed you what is chlorosis in the symptoms. Yellowing. So here also in the citrus plant it will turn yellow. Leaves will turn yellow. And sometimes it leads to brownish color of the leaves. So leaves will become brown color. Leaves will become yellow to brown in color. So can you see how the leaves have changed their color? From green color they have become brown color. So from yellow to brown color. This is the citrus dieback disease in citrus plant. Why it is caused? It is caused because of the deficiency of the mineral zinc. So zinc deficiency leads to citrus dieback disease. Citrus dieback disease is because of the deficiency of the microelement zinc. I said you microelements and macroelements. Whenever I am using this small zinc, when I am showing, it is understood that it is a microelement. Small means microelement. If I show you big nutrient, then it is a macro element. This is a micro element. Second disease is heart rot disease. Rot means necrosis. Rotting means necrosis. So it is caused in the beetroot. Beet plant, that is beetroot, carrots generally are facing the disease heart rot. So in the carrots maybe you have seen. I will show you in the beetroot. Can you see the beetroot? In the beetroot, the blackish color is nothing but because of necrosis. This is necrotic tissue. The tissue has died here. Death of the tissue is necrosis. So this black color indicates death of the tissue. So beetroot disease which is caused is heart rot. And why it is caused? Because of the deficiency of a micronutrient boron. So boron deficiency causes heart rot disease in plants like beetroot and carrots. Symptoms are necrosis. Now, whiptail disease. Whiptail disease is caused in the cauliflower. So whiptail, tail means you know how it appears. So whiptail disease is caused by the deficiency of the mineral nutrient molybdenum. Molybdenum is also a micro element. Molybdenum is also a micro element. So molybdenum is a micro element. It causes chlorosis. Chlorosis means, again I said you previously, yellowing of the leaves. So cauliflower leaves will turn yellow and the leaves will give a shape of a tail. That is whip tail. Can you see here how the leaf has become tail-like structure? This is whip tail in cauliflower. So this is the cauliflower plant. All the leaves have turned into yellow. That means yellowish brown color because of chlorosis, and this is called as whiptail disease. Whiptail disease is caused in cauliflower, and nutrient which is getting affected is, which is the nutrient which is causing this effect? Molybdenum. So molybdenum deficiency causes whiptail in cauliflower. Then you have mouse ear. Mouse ear disease. Mouse ear disease is caused in pecan because of mineral nickel. Nickel is a element which causes, it is also a micro element which leads to the deficiency, leads to the symptoms like necrosis and dwarf leaves. Leaves will become short and they will show death of the tissue. Pecan is nothing but, maybe you have seen pecan like akhroot. Have you heard in? Okay, first let me show you. This is the difference between a normal leaf and this is a mouse ear leaf. Mouse ear means dwarfness. The plant leaves will be short. Here can you see the leaves should be this much size, but they are very short because of the mouse ear disease in pecan plant. So this plant is pecan plant. Leaves are getting affected and sometimes they will also die. Necrosis will occur. Here I am not showing necrosis. Here you can see dot. Necrotic necrosis, black color. Okay, tissue is dying. And how is the leaf? Mouse ear leaf is small and normal plant leaf is normal. So this is the size of the leaf, but it is only decreasing when you take the mouse ear disease. Okay. So these are the different minerals which are causing the diseases because of their deficiency. Nickel deficiency causes mouse ear in pecan.